Alright, so here we are at Bli Bli, or Bli Bli, BLI. We're about to buy tickets. It's not expensive, or it's quite expensive actually, but here's the reason we're here, which is to see and use this incredible outdoor water-based obstacle course. Pretty amazing. Tickets are 25 Australian dollars for 50 minutes, so it is quite expensive. You get 2 sessions, presumably back to back, for 40 Aussie dollars. So Grace and I are going to check this out. Elizabeth is not that keen, so she's going to sit and read a book while we get on the obstacle course. Alright, we're just filling in the indemnity form before we go on the obstacle course, so if we kill ourselves, it's our own fault. Are you ready to go? Let's see your hand with your band on it. We've been approved for the 1 o'clock session. Alright, let's go. We'll see you later, Mum. Have fun reading.
Different sessions of different colours.
Yeah, probably.
I think the last session was like a blue.
Okay, that makes sense. All the concrete's hot, isn't it? Even though it's gotten a little bit overcast here, which is kind of good actually, because it's been boiling hot today already, walking around markets and around Noosa. Alright, check it out. Very flattering. Grace has her beautiful yellow light vest. I have one that was supposed to be purple, but it's faded so much in the sun that it's almost blue. And we're about to start. Now, I've only owned my GoPro for a few weeks. I've never tested if it's actually waterproof, so we're about to find out.
Session, if you want to make your way over here, I'm just going to run you through a few quick safety rules and then we can get you out there. Alright, with our life jackets, I want you guys to pull them.
Chaos ensues. Oh, it's shallow. It's shallow here. We're going to fall over. Alright, you can step in there, you can step in the bottom parts, right? It's tiring. It's chaos, isn't it? This wasn't what I expected. Alright, what's the plan here? Here's what I suggest. You want to jump off and swim to that over there and his handles against horses. You're not going to stick your legs and it'll be fine. It's a nice low one here. Alright? You can do it. Grace, why are you crying? Give me your hand.
I can't even get up.
Well, you can. You just did. Did you just get up? Mum sitting over there. She didn't want to come on here. I don't think it's quite her type of thing. I made it. Alright, you're doing fine. Alright, I'll get up. You hold on to the orange handle. By the end of this, she's going to be asking me to come again, I think. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
let's go. Good work. This is what happens every time. All right. Oh, go as far as you can. Yeah. Oh, one more time. Now I'm going to be right behind you. Alright, are you ready? Off you go. I'm right behind you. Swim away when you can. Yeehaw! Woo! Huh? Slide.
Great, did you enjoy it? You must have done your video.
Yeah, she did.
My class at night.
But in the beginning she was too scared to do it, and then she loved it in the end. So, what are our overall thoughts on the Bli Bli Watersport Complex? Well, first off, the sheer size of the facility is incredible. It's massive with tons of obstacles to tackle and explore. There's plenty of parking, and you're not just limited to the obstacle course. You can enjoy wakeboarding and barramundi fishing there as well. Plus, the location is stunning. On the flip side, the obstacle course is pretty strenuous. If you're into a challenge, you'll love it, but it might be a bit tough for younger kids. The minimum age is 4 with an adult, but we'd recommend it for kids 8 and older to get the most out of it. Also, at 25 Aussie dollars per person, it's not the cheapest experience, and while it wasn't too crowded when we went, peak times can see up to 150 people on the course at once, which could make things a bit hectic. But overall, we had a blast, we conquered our fears, and it was a great experience for both Grace and David. We give it a solid 81. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you're the first to catch our next episode. Take care.